Put is a special kind of joint. A special joint for entertainment. Mama Put is a special kind of buka. A buka for our jolly jolly. Mama Put is a special kind of joint. A special joint with a great difference. Mama Put is a special kind of buka. Boy, this buka is a special joint.
This one is just 2,000. The 2,000 where they give us, like connection fee. The connection fee. Hey!
So the 2,000 when they give me no follow for our bill. Now what did they tell me?
Which bill? I never pay my bill. See, madam, you don't want to cut her lights. She will never small leave her light. So I say now, for us to leave your lights, you will give us 2,000 naira, the connection fee, which you give us. So I don't know what you shout.
Toles, you be thief! You be thief!
Me thief.
I don't give Toles 2,000 5 times.
Eh?
Yes.
5 times?
Yes.
Toilet! Now how many times I call you? I will visit your case later. See, residential area, they different from business area. So which one now you did? Okay, now business area dey. Now you talk now. Now you talk. You don't know say as e be say na business area, the money go up. Hey, the money go up. Make I ask you. You don't know say e don reach 2 good months where una cut my light comot. Still bill dey come. Now who go pay? My sister. Abeg, na estimation wey dem dey call C2 tariff plan na him we dey use. Provided say na business area na him you dey stay, na him make the money dey high like that. E no go work. That kind grammar wey you dey speak no be for me.
Mama Put is a special kind of joint. A special joint for entertainment. Mama Put is a special kind of buka.
Which one be your own this morning now? Start now. Yeah. Happy. Alpha.
Adeo. What did they do your generator now?
My brother, I don't know. I don't know. The thing no gree start. New gen. If you see na waiting light today, I could suffer myself with this generator. Light the person no see. Now make we take this one. Make we use the help ourselves.
Wetin dey pay me pass, we see. We dey depend on these imported generators.
You don't see them now.
Petrol, e don high. Diesel, e high. E no even cheap.
My brother, money wey we dey spend for petrol alone, if you dey save am, you go use am do better thing. If you see light dey, you dey save this money, you go use am do better thing. But check out. You dey spend money for generator, you dey spend money for your food, you dey still dey pay money for light wey you no dey use your eye see.
How?
No be frustration. If you see we dey see the light, dey pay bill, no problem. But light, we no dey see. Yet at the end of the month, dem go bring big bill say make you pay.
No be even that one dey pay me o. Dem go carry their ladder come for our pole, come mount and say they wan cut light.
My brother, na that one na dey pay me pass. Make I take my eye see anybody. We go climb our pole say wan cut am. Oh, that day go know say
But no be even we even dey complain of generator. What about the noise pollution wey dey give?
Hi! That one na worse pass o. Because people with this no be only even noise pollution. both the carbon monoxide with the generator they come out. My brother, that one they kill. Eh? Like one family where honor came for passage before they go break. All of them don't die. Say the smoke enter their house, they inhale them. All of them die before they break. That one another problem. If you still like today, we're gonna suffer this thing.
You fit now.
No.
But Okoroma, I tell you, instead of you to the day here, you struggle yourself, they drag this gen. Yeah, you better go call these people where they repair gen.
That's true you talk.
Go call them, make them help you do this gen. See what we will do. We carry our whole mind, put on this thing. See, and I don't disappoint you this morning.
And you get important thing I want use and do this morning.
You see,
light and no see. Generator, no green start. Eh?
I beg, try go call other people.
Now true you talk. If I try one more time, you no green start, I'll go find these people where they repair gen, they come fix them for me.
I been just they come back, I just see you as you struggle with the generator.
My brother, one.
Ma, Rita.
Thank you. I've been at plug. Now brand new gen now. Eh?
Oko, leave the first one, or the second one?
The second one.
The second one. Okay.
Now light to the Concord, Abi.
Well done. If you cut finish, you come down, yeah? We will wait for you. You don't want cut again?
Bros, we never pay on electricity bill.
You say wetin?
Electricity bill.
You get someone to talk say we never pay electricity bill. Eh? Wanna give us light? I dey ask una give us light when we go pay?
See, now our work now can do. Huh?
Eh.
Oko. Landlord.
Happy. No need to don't dey talk plenty. What you want to do? What you want to do?
We be officials so. Now work we can't do.
Eh.
Climb here again.
Just make mistake say climb here again. You go see what you go do now.
Okoro, now wetin dey happen for here?
What happened? See me, now because of say we know their house. Now these two people, you don't know where they come from. Get mine, carry ladder. Come put for our pool. See the one cut light. Eh? Light when we know they carry our eye see. If we manage see, in the day like candle. Eh? Hi!
Akpi and Okoro, una no dey shame. Oh, una no dey shame. Una no say na their work then they do.
Mama put. Tell them, tell them.
You came out to talk. Mama put me ask you. You when they talk, you see light? You take this your 2 eyes, see light?
Asamo.
Tell me why we go pay.
Na true say the light, you know they steady at all at all. Even me sef, the bill wey dem give me I no appeal. So me I wan go their office, go report the matter. Na im make e be say if their staff come out, una no suppose to dey beat them. If una get any complaint, una go their office.
Yes.
Na the right thing to do. Or una never hear as government don dey join hands with all the better power company for this our country, so that they go fit arrange steady light for us. Una never hear am.
How we go manage here? When no light to listen to radio, no light to watch TV, at least to watch the news now, hear when they talk am. No one.
They ask where you go here. Huh? Now when they see am for television, the news, now they hear am for television.
See this big fool, oh.
Okoro, leave am. Leave am. See, I tell you, say, this one, here, they don't use something to block am. You know you're waiting in talk? You know you're waiting in talk, na. He say, we know they get light. We know they get light. Now, I won't block am. If you carry the socket, who go block am? Now, for grand.
Ask them. Happy. Now for our man to go chook am, then our TV go begin work.
Not true.
No, they promise speed, I beg. They talk, they promise speed.
He do. Like as I dey talk before, the best thing una go do if una get any complaint, now go this power people their office, go lay the complaint, make them correct am. That will beat their officials.
Yes. Oko, climb up, cut the wire.
He said, come, what's in the wire you?
Come down here.
We never talk finish. Cut, just they push you. We say we go come pay the bill.
And this one, how they shine.
See, make I tell you now. When I come to our office, come pay. Yes. Now when you come to our company, we will still come back here, come connect the wire. Yes.
And man, tell you now, even if you not come, we'll collect 2,000 naira for the connection fee.
Confirm.
Yes.
Hey, I don't suffer.
We go pay 2,000 for the connection fee.
Yes.
Okay. Try climb up now. Go cut and make we use ICU now.
Leave am. We will give you the 2,000 for up. Climb up.
I beg, power official, from the way things they go, na kill una go kill una safe here. It go better, make una allow them, then carry today go na office. So that by tomorrow if they no come, una fit come cut na I beg.
Okay, Mama Put, we don't hear you.
We don't hear you.
Mama Put don't save una.
I been on the way she save.
Mama Put don't save una today.
Wait oh. Na two of una be one come cut the light, abi?
Yes. And our two.
We are on a safety gadget. See this mumu? You dey look cover up. Now cover up be safety gadget. Wear una gloves. Wear una safety shoe. Wear una helmet. Wear the one where they call harness. That one be say if you hang out for your waist, even if you fall from up, they come down. You no go reach ground. Wear am.
In the asuna. Mama Put, we just want to do this thing sharp, come out.
Hey! Na so una go die sharp.
No.
Wow.
Now what? God forbid. Una never hear how sharp don't kill power officials like una. Why una dey risk una life? Why una dey risk una life? Una never hear wetin dey call safety? My people, una dey see this kind mumu people wey call themselves power officials. If you be power official out there, make you do the right thing. They say safety first. Your life dey important pass this job wey you dey do. If you wan go cut light, make sure say you carry your safety gadget, so that as you carry your life come do the work, na so you go carry your life go back. Life no get duplicate. I hope una don hear am.
Maput, we don't hear you. Thank you. Oko, go.
Come.
Wait,
Wait, he dey push up. He do.
Una blood too hot. Make them move they go. Oh yeah, una go.
Na Mama Put save una.
Make una no copy on a bill.
Na Mama Put save una.
Hey, see as them dey.
You sure say that real power staff them be this?
See them.
All this on our Agboro staff, oh.
Look at well.
They're supposed to go they stand for park. They do work, not be power officials.
Maput, I the best for you. I the best for you. If I allow me, I beat this boy away for here.
If you like, no go pay your electricity bill.
These people don't escape. Since we would they plan them? Mama Put don't save them today.
No worry. We go still catch them again. See, I no go pay that bill.
Special joint. Welcome to Mama Special Buka.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning. How you doing?
Fine, ma. Emeka! Emeka!
I dey come.
Now you come out there now, eh? Every time you do like woman.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning. Una don dey go?
Yes, ma.
Yes, ma.
Okay. Make una go well o. But make una come back on time. I no want the one way una go now. Una no go come back on time. Work dey here.
Okay, ma. Okay, ma.
Okay, oya make una go now. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Mama Put,
Akudo, good morning.
welcome o.
Thank you.
This one wey you come our office this morning, e be like say you come pay your electricity bill.
I no come to pay bill. Na complain, I come complain.
Na wetin happen now?
See, Akudo, the way una dey take write una electrical bill, I no like am. I no like am at all. Eh? I get meter. How come una no dey come read the meter again? Na estimated bill una dey give me, and I no like am at all.
Mama Put, you sure of wetin you dey talk?
Which one wey you dey ask me whether I sure? Check am now.
Oya make I check am.
Na wow.
Abeg no vex o. Make I check wetin be the problem for system.
Abeg check am.
Child, my battery don go down. Abeg who dey there? Ibu! Madam. Abeg come here o. Go on generator for me. My battery don go down.
Akudo,
Eh?
you say generator.
Uh-huh.
Akudo, generator.
Mama Put. Now why you dey laugh us now?
Now why I no go laugh? If na wey be electrical distributors no get light, na who go get the light now? Na who go get am? Na we go get the light.
Mama Put, you want make I help you check this your problem, abi no want?
Na be say my sister we no get hope at all. I want make you check am, check am.
Oya sit down make I check am for you. You dey there dey laugh us. Eh? When you see light?
Here see light. Yes, now una dey distribute light. This thing dey funny o. Eh? Electrical distributors dey no get light. Akudo, hey! Nothing wey we no go see. People wey dey give light no get light. Ha! Na wow. This one serious.
Mama Put, for wetin I dey see for here, e be like say your meter no good.
Eh? Now which kind of talk be that one? My meter dey good.
But now wetin I dey see for here now?
Nothing to my meter. Check am o, check am well. Ha.
Okay, oh, no vex, eh? No wahala. We go send our electricity staff, make them come check your light for you.
Make them come check am o.
Dem go come check am.
Make them come check am akudo because the estimated bill I no like am at all at all. I no like am I make am buy meter.
I don tell you say dem go come check am. No vex, eh?
Okay, I don hear you. Make I begin go.
Okay now.
Okay, I don go.
All right, bye-bye. Come here, come the last person. I don't even know where I live.
Hey! Ifeoma.
Mama put.
Oga Soki.
Mama put.
Una good morning o.
Good morning.
Good morning, no.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Now wetin I go give una chop?
Abeg, give me rice.
You unko?
Add 2 meat for your own, eh? Then give me the same thing, pa.
No wahala, I go do am.
Hey! Ifeoma, see light, oh. Light don't come. Light don't come.
Hey,
Come, move, go carry light, move, go connect our light. Hey, Ifeoma.
The food unko? Hey. These electricity people just decide to bring the lights now. Eh? Lights wey no go even stay. Oh.
Special joint. Welcome to Mama Special Buka.
Now the money with this. Abeg, make I ask. Which time when I go come collect my light back? Make I get light, Panu.
Oga Soki, as soon as you pay 2,000 naira, your connection fee, our officials will reconnect them. Na so.
2,000 naira. That's okay. Now so it be. Now, well, I never see this canteen. No. Every time, pay. To come connect light, I go collect money. Now, what did I do here?
Bros, I don't know. Me and my bros, we do small sanitation for compound. So let's make I come outside, come burn am.
You dey burn the spill under this electrical cable.
Wetin do am?
Wait. You ask wetin do am? Huh? You know not say as you dey burn this your dustbin under this electrical cable, e no good. And this is where they burn under this electrical cable now,
Mama put is a special kind of joint. It's a special joint for entertainment. Mama put is a special kind of buka. A buka for our jolly. Mama put is a special kind of joint. A special joint with a great difference. Mama put is a special kind of buka. Boy. This buka is a special joint. This buka with a great difference. We they teach you how to live your life.